This video is about how to prepare your designs on Affinity for CorelDRAW here in Nigeria, and you're working with a Nigerian printer that still uses CorelDRAW. Yes, instead of sending PNG or PDF that at some point or a lot of point um, lessens the quality or distorts quality. This is how you send it without losing quality. Make it CDRO compliant. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Sorry I'm bending, I'm very bored. So I'm going to be using one of my designs here. Yeah, let me use this one I did for Dr. Golden. Alright. So this was the design I did for Dr. Golden. So let's say I want to make this print compliant with Nigerian printers. I want to make it work in CorelDRAW without having to send it as PNG or PDF. This is how you do it. First of all, let's have CorelDRAW open. CorelDRAW. You have to know the size of your design, so you make it there too. So let's go to document setup, and our size is 1080 by 1315 pixels. So you create a new document and you change your dimension pattern to pixels, measurement parameters. So you put 1080 by 1350. I should see. Number of pages is based on the number of pages that is in. The minimum we should leave it at is 300 dpi. Click on OK. So once that is done, you have the site here. Go back to Affinity, then come here. Let me use the actual persona because I have the preset set for mine already. So you don't have that preset. So let me show you how to create it. Come to slices. Here you come to PNG. You change this to EPS. So I already have one here, EPS or Corel. So if you look on this now, if you come to export options, to see that settings, look at it here. File format is EPS. Downsample images, you should turn this off. Document resolution, use document resolution. Every writing should stay the same. And then the export. So I'm going to export this. Let me export it to export it there. Everything. Save. Allow it to finish exporting. So depending on your file size, it might be fast, slow, whatever. So now you have your EPS here, encapsulated PostScript. Then you go to your CorelDRAW, just drag it inside. When drag it inside, make sure it's import text as curve, not text. Make sure it's curve. Because when you import as text, I've noticed it breaks. And besides, you're only making it compatible for print, not to be editable. Here, click on OK. Once you're done, then press P on your keyboard to center it. So I move it out, I press P, center, I move it out, I press P, center. So once you've done that, that's not all. That's not all. When you are saving, first of all, this is how I save. I first of all save one for myself. I'll save this with everything as it is. Now click on save. Then I'll save another one for the printer, which I'll click on save as. Then I'll say print ready. Now change this to 2017. I've noticed every printer, this actually works for them, and I click on OK or save. So once I do that, I'm ready. When I want to send, I send this to them, and everything stays fine, just as it was in your design.